Smart money moves in silence and GhostNet finds for you. So yeah, let me introduce you the GhostNet which was built on the Nansen CLI. Every whale tracker shows you what wallets buying, right? Nobody shows you if those wallets are coordinating or what it does. GhostNet does exactly that. It maps hidden connection between the smart money wallets across spot and hyperliquid perps, which is all in real time. So yeah, let's go through it. I'm clicking on the Ethereum on run analysis. So what will be showing to you is like all those accumulation tokens, smart money wallets, if there is a coordination signal and hyperliquid overlap. Also, you can see that there is a case ID over here, which will be the reference for what you run for a particular thing. Also, if you want to finally download this, you can click on copy brief and make yourself a note or somewhere you can paste for yourself. So yeah, let's go through this, which will bring you on a click. I'm clicking on run analysis. So GhostNet pulls smart money net flows, profiles the wallets behind those trades, and map those counterparties and cross check if they're also active on Hyperliquid perps. It's all happening under the Nansen CLI, which is like giving under the 10 API calls, which is under 30 seconds. So yeah, we'll get a update over here in less than 30 seconds of whole data that we are aiming to get on it. So yeah, let's wait for it though. So there are presence of these three networks for now. Ethereum, Solana, and Base. Yeah, we got these three things. Neor is Fair, Tarka, Aave, and BDR. So these three things are like these tokens or the accumulation tokens of these stats, which are completely took off 5 tokens from the search. And for the smart money wallets, like with the profit and loss data, also it gives you like the wallet address. Along with that, you can have the stats of it too. If there is any hyperliquid per presence of that particular wallet, it will be displayed over here too. And same goes to the coordination signals too. So yeah, so this is a pipeline, discovers money, smart money flows, profile wallets, and counterparties, and it fetches the hyperliquid perp if available. So you can see the total session calls happen, 10 API calls, number of wallets, and clusters. Total runtime it took around like 30.7 seconds. Yeah, it's like under 30 or like 31 second for now. And this is how it works on, like how to get the whole stats from the search. So let's go for Solana. Let's try for Solana now. So it is running same as Ethereum. It takes like 30 seconds. Now, but on Solana, it takes for, like it brings us the best tokens along with the smart money wallets of those. So yeah, let's have a glance over here. And also for like we use the API credits, right? We can see it, which is around 2120. We got like these many API calls. I've used multiple API calls for just today alone. See, you can see around like I've used 1740 credits for today. So yeah, we got those accumulation tokens here, Chad and some Chinese and Rise, Gay and Penguin, with all those smart money wallets with profit and loss given on the side. It also, we can also see here that it took around 28.6 seconds, which is under like it took a API call of 10. So 10 API calls under 30 seconds with with these stats it's given. That's cool thing, right? Also, if you want to completely make yourself data for yourself with these stats, you can just copy brief and you can get out of it. So that's what GhostNet does is, and these are my AP calls. You can just view it over here, but the whole thing is lying under here. Yeah. So yeah, GhostNet CLI, and this is my whole repository. It is public, obviously, and yeah, you can refer it over here if you want to view the source code too. Yeah. Thanks for watching.